it's Brooke with WTI. Are you looking to pamper yourself or even just get excited about going home because you're going to get some relief? Well, check out TISSCARE's amazing foot massager. This is wonderful because it adjusts and you can get it to go up higher or lower. You can use this as a handle. You can also use it for your forearms. My son likes the way it feels on his hands and your calves. It has so many great benefits getting your blood circulatory system pumping. And for me personally, my feet are cold at night. It's kind of fun for me to warm them up using this because not only is it getting that blood flow just to my extremities, but it has a heat option. I'm able to heat one or both feet. And it also has the manual, which is my favorite for massage, but it also has P1, 2, and 3. So you can adjust it, and also the direction you can adjust as well. This also comes handy with the remote control. That way you don't have to stop lounging. I love how the fabric comes out and you can machine wash it and keep it nice and clean. This has definitely been exciting for my whole family. There's hardly a time when we're at home that it's not being in use. Either one of us is using it. So it's really exciting to have these little things at home. Have something to look forward to, maybe recover your feet. This is great too for being outdoorsy like we are. We get in a lot of physical activity, so it's nice to kind of calm those muscles, relieve that. And we are thrilled to have our own massager at home. So when we rest, we get the maximum benefit for our rest. That's why we love this, but that's just my point of view.